Hi, I'm Francesca, an Educational Development Coordinator at Wiser. Today I'm going to share how we monitor and track course updates. With over 700 courses in our system, managing them effectively requires an organized process. Our IT and curriculum teams have worked together to create a streamlined strategy that makes this much more efficient. The email is sent to the course directors listed in our LMS and asks them to review their course for any necessary updates, such as adding new content, removing outdated material, or verifying that all course information is accurate. It also gives directors a chance to confirm that the individuals listed in the course are still correct. To make it as simple as possible, the email includes a direct link that takes them right to the place where the updates can be made. Once course directors respond, either confirming that no changes are needed or providing updated information, we document their responses in a tracking spreadsheet organized by month. This spreadsheet includes the course name, the course director's name and email, and responses to a few key questions that help us monitor the status of each course. We record all updates and include the date of the change so we always have a clear record of when adjustments were made. The final step in keeping our courses current involves reviewing our SharePoint folders to ensure everything is accurate and organized. Each course folder contains 4 main subfolders: an administration folder, a content to upload folder that holds all materials currently in the LMS, a during class materials folder for anything distributed or presented to students that isn't housed in the LMS, and an operations folder that contains information needed by our simulation specialists in order to run the course efficiently. We also maintain an archive folder within each content area to store older materials, keeping our active content folders clean and up to date. By consistently organizing and updating these resources, we're able to maintain a clear, reliable system that supports the accuracy, accessibility, and quality of every course we deliver. Now that we've given you an overview of how we monitor and track course updates, we hope this provides a clear understanding of the processes and collaboration that goes into keeping every course accurate, organized, and up to date. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information on how Wiser supports simulation-based healthcare education, like and subscribe to our YouTube page.